There you go. A little light flashing, and I'm just recording. Okay, Zoe. Remember that countdown. I need you to look toward the lake and run for the lake. Ready to go paragliding?
Yeah.
All right.
Do it, girl.
Woo.
3,
You're gonna be good.
2, 1. Move down the hill.
Now long stride, girl. Long stride.
Come on,
Run,
come on,
long stride.
No paragliding. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean back into me, Zoe. There you go. There you go. There. How's that feel?
Good.
Feel good?
Woo! So
We're flying. We're flying. Woohoo! Okay, you can extend that. You can turn that knuckle and extend that out.
Oh yeah. Wow.
There you go. Now you can move it all the way around. Just like, take it. You can move it all the way down like that. Woo! Yeah! You're doing great, Zoe. Doing great. Turn that, make sure it's kind of straight. There you go. There you go.
What's that
See, we're
beeping?
going up.
Oh, it's like
We're
altitude.
going up.
It's like doing the soaring over California, but
Yeah.
in real life.
We're like eagles. And look to the left. We're gonna lean to the left just like we practiced. And we're gonna turn left real slow. Okay? Just like that. Nice. Good job, Zoe. Good job.
There you go, right there. Yeah.
There you go. Woohoo!
Woo!
Fly like birds! There we go. Let's see if there's anything over here. Under the phone. To your left, there's Mount Rainier. It's kind of obscured right now, but there she is, right there. Yeah? Go ahead and take that camera. Good job. See how slow this is? Super slow.
It's really not very scary.
What's that?
It's really not scary. It's just.
It's not. It's not. Quick.